How to set up any image as desktop background. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how we can set up any image in our desktop background. So let's go into the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest tutorials. So in order to change our image and personalize it, you just need to head over and open up a desktop, and on the screen you just need to right click on your mouse. After that, go to personalize. You can find that option called personalize. Just open up and this setting will appear on the screen with background. So here you can find different settings here. When you scroll down a bit and scroll up, you may just head over to the background section and drop down it, and you can find different options here. You may just switch it up to pictures so that we can select our own picture here. So you may just go on and select the picture that is available, or browse a picture so that you may just select the picture that you want. I'm just gonna select this picture, the second picture right now, for an example to show you that that's how you basically apply the changes. So here you can see, as I selected this picture, it automatically sets up to my desktop background. So you may just follow the same step in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. So follow the steps to do so.